We'll guide you through how to download Dropbox for Windows. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the download button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the download page. Here, you'll see a big button labeled Download Dropbox. Click this button to start the download process. Your browser will prompt you to save the installer file. Choose to save it to a location on your computer where you can easily find it, like your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, go to the location where you saved the file and double-click on the installer to run it. You'll see a window pop up asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The Dropbox installer will now open, and you'll be guided through the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve clicking Install and waiting for the installation to complete. Once installed, Dropbox will open automatically, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Dropbox account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account by clicking Sign Up. Enter your details, and you'll be ready to start using Dropbox on your Windows computer. Dropbox will now be available from your desktop, and you can access it anytime by clicking the Dropbox icon, usually found in your taskbar or system tray. With Dropbox installed, you can easily sync your files and access them from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.